just wanted to do a quick video. I have multiple devices, all with different connectors, and I very rarely need to charge more than one at a time, so I decided to get one of these magnetic cables. This one is $7.99 from Amazon, 2 meters, or $6.99 1 meter. And strangely, what arrives is not what is on the box. They are a different shape and look to be better quality. What actually came is exactly as it shows on the Amazon listing. It did make me laugh actually, because one of the things on this box, although it's in bad English, it says no disturbing charging status LED. Well, that may well be the case with the ones that come in this box, but the ones that I got, which I actually ordered, do come with this ridiculous bright blue ring of LED light all around the plug-in end. It comes with Android, iPhone, and also the USB-C connections, which is all great. The actual magnetic strength is not too bad. You have to get quite a bit of cable hanging out over the side of the table or whatever this is rested on before that will actually lever out of the device. So it's not too bad. The connections are just a row of pins on the cable and circles. Hopefully you can see that actually on the other piece here. So all pretty straightforward. I didn't realise to start with that this actually had this ridiculous blue LED, because I had paired up with the equipment I needed, but I hadn't bothered plugging anything in. It was only that evening that I realised when I went to use these that I've got this blue LED on each one, which is a pain in the arse because it is so bright the whole bedroom is illuminated with it at night. It doesn't look very much now, but I can assure you that is way too bright. And before I realised that, I'd ordered another 4 which arrived a day or two ago. I was so bloody annoyed with the light that I actually returned them yesterday for a refund, and we'll just use these in places like the workshop where I don't have to worry about it at night. And then I realised that that's actually a simple solution which I've applied to this one here and the third one that I got, and that simply is to take a piece of heat shrink tubing and slide it over the end. You can get it nice and flush with the top because the bits actually sit on there like so you can get that right up to the end. And then with this new hot air gun that arrived a few days ago, literally just shrink the tubing into place, and that removes all of the light pollution, and it shrinks, the tubing shrinks enough onto this smaller section to actually make this fit nice and neat and quite tight. It's not going to be moving around if it's been shrunk properly. So actually, now I know that I can do this. I should have thought about it before. I probably would have kept the other cables, but I can reorder or perhaps get one that doesn't have the daft light in the end. But I thought it was quite ironic to send these out in the wrong box with writing that says there is no disturbing status LED. But as you can see, that is nice and tight on there now, and we can use these. Well, that's plugged in. There is no signs of any blue light shining through that. The heat shrink tubing you can buy in small kits of varying sizes from eBay or indeed Amazon. I think these probably came from Amazon. There was probably a little packet of 10 bags of varying sizes, Didn't cost very much. If it was £4 or £5 or a fraction more than that, I'd be surprised. But quite useful for that type of situation. But the cable is great. It's a braided material. I don't know what the warranty is, probably only a year. Again, strangely on this one it says 2-year warranty, but that is not what we got. It was only boxed in this. But yeah, very pleased with this. Let me grab the phone. And so it's pretty useful, as I say, quite strong enough. So yeah, just thought that would be interesting. There are options if you need to hide the light on these things.